Hello, today I'll be drawing Monkey D. Luffy in 4 different gears. Let's start by dividing the page into 4 equal parts. For the first style, I'm going to draw a cartoon. Secondly, I'm going to do gear 2. For the third quadrant, I'm going to do gear 4. Last but not least, I'm going to do gear 5. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.